Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Lili Money Management account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from your Lili Money Management account, begin by opening the Lili app on your device. Log into your Lili account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the home screen. Find and select the Money tab, usually located at the bottom of the screen. In the Money section, locate the Withdraw option and tap on it. You will be presented with your available balance and withdrawal options. Choose the amount you wish to withdraw. Select your preferred withdrawal method, such as bank transfer or debit card. If you choose a bank transfer, input your bank account details if not previously saved. Review the withdrawal details for accuracy. Once confirmed, tap the Withdraw button to initiate the transaction. You might receive a prompt confirming the withdrawal request. After submitting, you will need to wait for the processing time to complete. Check your bank account or linked card to verify that the funds have arrived. If the withdrawal is not reflected within the expected time frame, check the transaction history for updates. For any issues, consider reaching out to Lili customer support for assistance. Once the funds are successfully withdrawn, you can continue managing your finances as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.